I keep getting asked how I achieve the curls I do with my straightener. So just stick around and I'll show you guys how. So the first thing you want to do is grab your hair in sections. I personally like to start at the bottom of my hair. Alright y'all, so this DNA hair tool straightener is the new product of theirs that I will be using. This is the infrared laser and titanium. So this product is amazing because it actually heats your hair from the inside out. How? I know it sounds crazy, but look. So cool. Okay, it's actually heating up at the moment. So while it heats up, I'm going to use my DNA hair tools wet brush, and I want to make sure that my hair is not tangled, because if it is tangled you will not be able to achieve the curl. Alright y'all, so I just did this side right here. I'm going to throw it to the back, and I want to show you guys really quick how I achieved that side. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a section of your hair, and you're going to put the straightener right here and then turn it, and then as you're going down you have this cool tip feature right here, this one. And what it does is it helps you achieve the perfect curl, and it also helps you control your iron. Look at this. And then when you're done, you just turn, and there you go. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and finished this side of my hair. I do want to point out, this is a professional hair tool, therefore it does have professional features like the swivel cord. You see as I'm turning, the cord turns with me. It also has this adjustable temperature of up to 450 degrees, and it is digital right here. Y'all, I just love how this straightener glides through like butter. Look at that. Alright y'all, so I do love DNA Hair Tools original tool. I do have their marble and the pink one, but I feel like this one is just such amazing quality. It did an amazing job actually, and I love how smooth my hair feels now. So there y'all have it. This is the finished look. I am obsessed. I love the outcome of it.